The coronavirus is taking a toll on the world. Every day, thousands of persons more are being infected by this lethal and highly contagious virus. Lives are being lost every day. Families are mourning the loss of loved ones. This is one crisis that is pushing us backwards in this year, 2020, the start of a new decade. We hoped that this year would be good, but here we have the coronavirus that shattered most of our New Year resolutions, you'd say. But maybe very soon, we will be dealing with another crisis, which is maybe a landfalling hurricane from this hurricane season. So as you guys know, the Atlantic hurricane season begins on the 1st of June and lasts throughout the 30th of November every year. That's just the official time period, but storms may form outside of that. You can have storms going from January to May or even in December, which happened before and could do so again in the future. And that time period is just the time when we see most tropical cyclone activity, especially in August and September, guys. So this hurricane season plus coronavirus pandemic equals a total disaster. I want to encourage you guys to start preparing from now. Don't think that preparation is just about getting your food and getting your toiletries and all of that. It is also about if you have trees around your house that will cause damage in the event of strong winds, you want to cut them down. You also want to have all your files and documents in something that is safe and waterproof, so that if you just have to evacuate or if your area is being inundated and you just have to go, you can just readily grab it. And you also want to have your emergency kit with your first aid supplies and all of that, should in case someone needs help, so you can just immediately get it to them. And you also want to have your batteries and your radio and your flashlights and all of that, so that if you are riding out a storm, you can stay updated. And when it comes on to the part where you go out to get your food supplies and all of that, you want to get it for at least a 2-week period. It really depends on the strength of the hurricane, because I'd say if it is a weak tropical cyclone, you don't need to get food for 1 month. Like, that would just be so much, but it will still be very excellent. You don't have to go outside at all. You can just stay indoors, especially this year where we are having the ongoing COVID-19 outbreak. And other ways to prepare, one thing I should make mention of is that if you live near the coastline or you're in a low-lying area that is easily inundated when it rains heavily, you need to have an evacuation plan so you go somewhere safe, maybe with another family member or so. But one thing that you must remember is social distancing. Usually when persons hear about tropical cyclones, it's usually like a day or two or maybe a couple of days before, and persons start to panic. There's no need to panic, because if we have panic and we have so many crowds at these stores at this time where we're having the coronavirus outbreak, that would lead to more cases, and I'm sure that no one wants to be riding out the storm with the COVID-19 where you can't get immediate help. That would just be tragic, guys. And so social distancing is just my word summed up for this video in preparation to the hurricane season. Distance yourself from persons while preparing, and the real way to where you would actually have to really practice this is going out to get your supplies. And I suggest that you just continue stocking up. Just limit your contact with the outside as best as you can, guys. And please stay safe this hurricane season, because this season might be one for the record books. We don't know if this will happen, but it seems likely. All predictions agree on an above average season. And I just want to encourage you guys to please prepare, social distance, stay safe, and stay weather-wise, and have a wonderful